William steal Gayloo's fridge / blame on N-word / dad believes in William / N-word got grounded. I wish that I had a fridge for myself. I can steal a fridge from Gayloo. Let's do it. When William got inside Gayloo's house. Phew, he was asleep. Now where's the fridge? Over there. When William got home with Gayloo's fridge. Yahoo! I finally have a fridge for myself.
William, where did you get that fridge?
N-word gave me the fridge.
You sure?
Yes! He gave me the fridge and he said it was all yours.
I'll go and ground him. N-word, did you steal a fridge and give it to William?
No. Why?
William told me that you have him the fridge thoughts that you're grounded.
What? No. Meanwhile at Gayloo's house. Daddy.
What want?
Our fridge got stolen.
What want? What? Oh no.
Washington.
Loudly crying face. Loudly crying face.
Hooray. I got away from Dad.